in there. He's running.
Is he just hiding?
He's running.
Yeah.
He's gonna make a hit. I think that's gonna do it. We got our two qualifiers for the tonight's main event. Car number 6, Brian West. Car number 69, Hayden. But now we gotta choose who had the best hit. Hang on, hang on.
I think it was 32.
Was it Brian with the best hit?